right, guys, good morning. Gonna get to work on another project here. Today is make a stairway to heaven. Just kidding. So in this area here, I was gonna make a stairway, easy one coming down this way, and I realized it just, for some reason, it just didn't look good. I don't know why. And I came up with an idea last night that I'm actually going to make the stairway flow this way. From about here, I'm going to make a landing platform that would be the shape of a triangle. And then we're going to just step down from there, which probably is only going to be 1 or 2 steps. We'll see how it goes. It's just an idea I had in my mind, which is like a lot of things around here. And we'll see how it goes. We did it. Oh my gosh. Seriously, that was really heavily needed. It's going to be holding a lot of weight. So I had these two 6-inch, 8-inch screws. They had to go into that post that was there. And I finally got them in. Just as the battery died too. So perfect timing for the battery to go dead right after the last screw went in. So, all right, we're gonna keep going. This will be the first step. This is the support. It's going up around it. I wanted to make sure that they're level with each other. And we're level right there. Can't really see maybe because of the shadow. But anyway, so we've got a nice level step. I'm gonna build this out. I don't know if it's gonna be too high of a step because we're gonna add 1.5 inches more height onto the step, so we'll see where we're at when we get to that point. I mean, if I need to, I can add another little step right in between. Hey guys, it is Thanksgiving. And what a better place to spend it than off-grid at the tiny house. I just had my Thanksgiving dinner, cup of noodles, but I might have something a little bit later. My brother and his wife are coming up, so I think they're bringing some food, so we'll see what happens. We've got all this done. We just need to finish this stairway that's here. So I got the top step done, and now I'm trying to figure out how I want this to lay out. I'm thinking I'm going to do one more platform here and then probably one small step here, and that'll finish it off. I'm going to put a post there, I'll nail against that post over there, against that post there, and I'll probably need to put a small support in between. Kind of winging it here. In my mind's eye, I'm trying to create what I'm seeing, and usually it plays out, but it just takes a little bit of engineering and thinking about how I'm going to do that. So I'll probably have to stare at this for another 20 minutes before I figure it out. All right, making a little progress here. We I'm just kind of setting up the framework to see how I want it to look. I'm going to tidy this up a little bit more. I've got these brackets in here holding it together on both sides. I'll probably leave those brackets in there. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to put a post here, another post here, another post here, and then I'm going to run a 2x6 going this way, and then we'll start laying out the 2x10s on top of that. But yeah, that's the plan for right now. I might do one more step right here, and that'll finish it. All right, you guys, it's probably the last shot of the day. It's the temperature's dropping really quick, and the wind's picking up, so it's getting really chilly. All right, you guys, it's the next morning, and you'll never believe what happened. Remember when I was saying that all of a sudden it got cold yesterday? The temperatures dropping really quick today, and I was like, oh, this is gonna be my last shot today. I'm gonna go in because it was getting really cold all of a sudden, and it was like 3 or 4 in the afternoon. Well, let me do this really quick. Come take a look at this. Yeah, it's snowing. And not just a little, a lot. Oh my gosh. Look at, this is our work from yesterday. Totally covered. Totally covered. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to get these bags in before they get wet. My good lumber. Good lumber is, oh man. Everything out here is, well, it's not wet yet. It's still below freezing, so it's not getting soaked in, but I'm gonna have to get a snow shovel. I'll have to go buy one. I gotta get my solar panels uncovered. The chance of snow was only 20%, and it was only going to be for an hour. It's been doing this for 6 hours now. I woke up in the middle of the night, saw it was snowing. My little house is all ready for Christmas. Little icicles. Just when I thought I would sneak away for a Thanksgiving weekend and get a lot of work done, not really going to happen. And there's not a lot of work I can do inside, so this snow is supposed to stop at noon today. Right now it's 8 o'clock. Man, that's gonna be 4 more hours of snow. It's 8 o'clock right now. I'm gonna go buy a snow shovel. I'm gonna get all this snow off so that it can dry fast and I can use the deck at least to work on. And I really want to finish that stairway that we were working on yesterday. So, oh no, my tool bag full of snow. Oh man, that's not good. That's not good. Oh man. Yeah. Seriously, when I went, oh my gosh. When I went to bed last night, clear skies. And I've never had this happen where I leave my equipment out and it gets totally, well, snowed on. Better snow than rain right now because I can still save it. So anyway, we're gonna run into town, get a snow shovel, and hopefully this clears up by noon.